Hello friends, welcome to BestBull Tutorial's latest training session. In our previous video, we explored the practical application of withdrawal requests. Today, we will delve into the history window feature. To access the history window, locate its button on the interface. If it's not visible, ensure that it's checked, and once clicked, the history details will appear below. Here, you can find a comprehensive record of all your trades, deposits, and withdrawals. Let's learn how to navigate this section. Begin by right-clicking within the window to reveal multiple options. Starting from the top, we have different modes, which we will cover in a separate video to provide a detailed explanation. Next is the period option, allowing you to select a specific time frame for your history view. You can choose from options such as 2 days, 4 days, 2 weeks, or even set a custom period. For example, selecting 14 will display the history for the past 14 days. To view the entire history from beginning to end, click on All History. The history window offers various filters. If you wish to view only money entries, you can enable that filter, and only relevant records will be displayed. Customize the font setting by adjusting the size, making it bold if desired, or exploring other available options. For now, let's keep the font size at 1. You also have the flexibility to choose which columns to display using the Column Chooser feature. Simply drag and drop the desired columns to customize your view. For instance, if you want to remove the re-engagement column, drag it out of the window. Additionally, you can export the history in Excel, PDF, or CSV formats. This allows you to save and analyze the data offline as per your requirements. At the bottom, you will find the Auto Range option, which helps arrange your rows vertically for better organization. By mastering the history window, you gain valuable insights into your trading activities and can effectively monitor and manage your financial transactions. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we explore advanced features and strategies to enhance your trading experience. This is it for today, and we will meet in the next video with another new tutorial so that you can trade with BestBull with ease. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.